Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another bathroom remodel. We are responsible for the shower and the floor. The tub will be deleted. We are removing these walls, as you can see. We have a float back there. We will be installing a new tub, large format tile to the ceiling. This is going to be a good workout for us. It alleviates the need to have a gym membership. We're going to break a sweat, break all this down, bag it all up, put it in the truck, and take it to the dump. Let's go. As you can see, the tiles are coming off really easy, but behind here you have your chicken wire, your float. That'll be the hard part. But again, 2-hour demo, not a big deal. And there it is. There's your float. It's breaking apart a lot easier than we expected, so we'll have these walls done in about an hour, hour and a half. Let's get to it. And here we are. The float has been removed. Now it's time to pull this tub out, remove these tiles here, and it looks like there's 5/8 drywall that drops all the way down. So we're gonna leave the drywall, we'll cut it here, install the new tub, hook up the drain kit, and then plumb our new valve. Let's get to it. Alright guys, we're moving right along with our laticrete hydroban shower. We're going to install our hydroban board. Our niche placement will be there. Full tiles up to the niche, full tiles above it. Plumbing is done. Very tall soaking tub has been installed and it is protected. So let's get going. Waterproofing is done. Our board is up. We banded the outsides of the shower. The niche is waterproof with our sealant. Screws, penetration, seams, the window as well. All right, time to set some tile. We start with the full, ending at the bottom of our niche. And we're using LevTech for this build. I love this anti-lippage system. And here we are, guys. Our bathroom remodel turned out absolutely beautiful. The shower looked like this before. The tub will be deleted. We are removing these walls, as you can see. We have a float back there. And now the shower looks like this after